So these splash shields just came in from Rockauto. They're for a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm pretty sure they fit any Lancer 09 and above. So this is the front splash shield, and this is the right passenger side splash shield. Alright, just to show you which splash shields these are for, this is under the front of the car. So it's this plastic piece right here at the front. And as you can see right here, yeah, my splash shield is non-existent on the right side. So I'm replacing the whole front of it. And they are just some, I think 10mm bolts. So that front part is this piece right here. As for this piece, this is for the right passenger side. So over here, as you can see, so as you can see, it would go right here, and right now mine is completely gone. So my timing belt is exposed and the whole right side of my engine, so that's why I'm putting it in there. And it's just gonna be some push clips that you put in there and there. So these are basically the push clips that I'm talking about. You get them from Amazon. I'll link them in the description. But yeah, you just push them in. That they clip on. Alright, so for the clips, this tool is really helpful to use. It'll be part of the clip, or it'll be part of the clips that I send in the link. And yeah, so there are going to be some clips under too that you take off with this tool. Alright, all the clips are out. That took way longer than expected. Some of these are actually like a pain to get out, so I do suggest on getting this tool, if you can. You probably can reuse these clips. I probably will reuse some of them, but the main ones you want to keep are these ones. So it's like a screw and like a holder. These go along, and these go along the fender lining here, right there. So you want to keep these ones. So that's the old one. See, it's broken there. And this is the new one. Alright, so the front splash shield pretty much installed. So it is pretty straightforward. It's just a bunch of screws and clips. And look, it's solid. So yeah, Rockauto, I approve of the splash shield from Rockauto. So this is the right passenger side splash shield, and it will go right here like that to cover up this whole area of the engine. Alright, so after you have all the clips in, this is what your right passenger splash shield should look like. So it's covering the right side of the engine. That's a lot better than having nothing at all, so I say it's worth it, because you don't want anything messing up your timing belt like rocks. So yeah, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out if you're thinking about buying this. And yeah, splash shield from Rockauto.